On Friday, I did an estimate to determine how fast a hacker could crack my password. And because of that video, I've learned a few new tidbits. Most people, if told to make a password 8 characters long, will make a password with 8 lowercase letters. But hackers know this, and so rather than try all 700 quadrillion possible responses, they'll first focus on the 20 trillion lowercase letter combinations. Also, most passwords are fairly predictable, with people using words such as admin or team or even password in their passwords. For that reason, my school used to require that our passwords were at least 8 characters long, and at least one of them had to be a symbol, at least one of them had to be a number, and at least one of them had to be uppercase. But if we represent that as a Venn diagram, you can see this yellow box represents every possible password combination. And each circle represents a password without any symbols, a password without any uppercase letters, or a password without any numbers. And that intersection in the middle is where there are only lowercase letters. But if you do the math, you'll realize that by requiring that there are numbers and symbols and uppercase letters, you're actually reducing the number of possible combinations by more than half. This makes it a little easier for hackers who could theoretically crack it in less than an hour. And if you only do the bare minimum, your options drop back down to about 1 quadrillion, or something that could be cracked in about 2 minutes. So how can you make your password stronger? For starters, avoid the common password choices. Don't use these 3 symbols, which are often used to replace letters. Don't start with an uppercase letter, and don't end with a number. And finally, don't just do the minimum. If you have to have 8 characters, make your password at least 9 characters long, and do more than just the minimum special characters. Thanks for watching.